Most drivers think their key fob only does two things: lock and unlock the doors. But car manufacturers pack in hidden shortcut sequences that dealerships never bother to explain. In this video, you'll discover 10 hidden key fob tricks, including how to start your car even if the fob battery is 100% dead, and a 2-button trick that completely stops signal thieves from cloning your key. Let's start with number 1. Let us dive straight into number 1. Number 1, the remote summer window. Drop stepping into a car that has been parked under the burning sun all afternoon feels like climbing inside an oven. The steering wheel burns your fingers, and the trapped air takes forever to cool down. Instead of waiting until you get inside to turn on the air conditioner, you can clear out that trapped heat from 50 feet away. Press the unlock button once, let go, and then press and hold the unlock button down for 5 full seconds. On most modern vehicles, this activates the convenience opening feature. All 4 side windows will slide down automatically, and if your car has a sunroof, it will open up as well. By the time you walk over to your car, all the hot air has escaped, allowing your air conditioning to cool the cabin twice as fast. On many European cars, holding down the lock button will roll them all back up. Number 2, the hidden emergency KeySmart key fobs run on small coin cell batteries. When that battery suddenly dies while you are away from home, it is easy to panic, especially on newer cars that do not seem to have a physical keyhole anywhere on the outside. Before you spend money calling a locksmith, flip your remote over. Look closely around the edges or the back casing for a tiny release switch or slider. Push that switch with your fingernail and pull the top keyring loop. A real metal emergency key will slide right out of the casing. If your driver door handle looks completely smooth, look directly under the right side of the handle cap. You will see a small slot. Insert the tip of your emergency key to pop off the plastic cover, exposing the hidden lock cylinder underneath. Turn the key and you are safely inside your car in seconds without paying a penny for roadside assistance. Number 3, starting with a dead key. Fob now that you used your mechanical key to get inside, you face another problem. When you press the push to start button, the dashboard flashes a warning saying key not detected because the remote has no battery power left to send a wireless signal. Do not worry, you are not stranded. Put your foot firmly on the brake pedal, take your dead key fob, and press the start button directly using the remote itself. Using the side with the car manufacturer logo, every push to start vehicle has a backup electromagnetic coil built right inside the start button. It wirelessly delivers power to the passive RFID chip inside your remote, reading the security code with 0 battery power required. The engine fires up immediately, giving you full control to drive home or head straight to a store to grab a replacement battery. Number 4, single door security mode by default. Pressing your unlock button usually unlocks all 4 doors at the same time. While that is convenient for families, it can actually be a safety risk if you are walking back to your car alone in a dark parking lot. Because someone could open a passenger door while you get in, you can easily change this setting directly from your remote without navigating through complicated dashboard menus. Stand near your car with the ignition turned off. Press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for about 4 to 5 seconds. Watch the hazard lights. Once they flash twice, your key fob is switched to personal security mode. Now, pressing unlock once will only unlock the driver door. A quick second press unlocks the rest of the car. If you ever want to switch back to normal mode, just hold both buttons together again for 5 seconds. Number 5, the range extension trick. Have you ever walked all the way across a giant parking lot, only to wonder if you actually remembered to lock your car doors? You try pressing the button, but you are standing way too far away for the radio signal to reach. Here is a crazy trick that sounds like an urban myth, but is backed by real physics. Take your key fob and press the top metal section firmly against the underside of your chin and press the lock button. Your head is mostly composed of water and biological fluids. When you touch the fob to your chin, your skull acts as a natural amplifier and dish antenna, boosting the radio wave frequency and extending the remote range by 30 to 50%. You will see your car lights flash and hear the confirmation beep from distances that usually seem impossible. Number 6, silent locking mode. Most cars give a loud horn chirp every time you press the lock button. While this helps confirm your car is locked, that loud blast can be annoying when you arrive home late at night and do not want to disturb sleeping family members or neighbors. You can easily mute this honk using a simple remote shortcut. On many vehicles, pressing and holding the lock and unlock buttons together for 3 seconds will silence the horn. When successful, The exterior lights will still flash to let you know the alarm is armed, but the horn remains completely silent. This allows you to lock up safely late at night without making any noise. Repeating the exact same button press turns the audible horn confirmation right back on whenever you want it. Number 7. Power liftgate height memory. If your SUV or crossover has a motorized power liftgate, opening it from your key fob inside a low garage or an underground parking structure can easily scrape the paint against the ceiling or an overhead water pipe. Car manufacturers anticipated this problem and built in a custom height memory setting. To program it, open your liftgate and manually adjust the door to your desired height, making sure there's plenty of clearance above. Next, look at the interior edge of the trunk door for the close button. Press and hold that button down for 4 to 5 seconds until you hear a clear confirmation beep or chime. The liftgate computer has now memorized that exact position. Every time you open the trunk from your key fob in the future, it will stop safely at that height, protecting your paint from expensive garage scratches. Number 8. Key fob sleep mode. Keyless entry is incredibly convenient, but it has created a huge security loophole called relay theft. Modern car thieves walk up to your front door with signal booster devices, capture the radio waves constantly emitted by the key sitting on your kitchen table, and unlock your car in under 30 seconds. You can completely stop this by putting your key fob into sleep mode when you head to bed. On popular brands like Toyota, Lexus, Mercedes, and Subaru, hold down the lock button, and while holding it, press the unlock button twice. The tiny red LED light on your remote will blink 4 times. This completely shuts off the fob's radio transmitter. The key stops broadcasting any signal, making it impossible for relay thieves to clone or boost your key. When you are ready to drive the next morning, just press any button once, and the key fob instantly wakes up and returns to normal. Number 9. The silent parking locator. Finding your car in a packed shopping mall parking structure can be frustrating. Most people reach for the bright red panic button, but holding that down sets off a deafening full car alarm that causes a scene and draws angry looks from everyone nearby. Instead of setting off the alarm, use the gentle locator sequence. On most vehicles, pressing the lock button twice rapidly within 2 seconds will trigger a quick, polite double horn tap and flash the headlights. This gives you a clear audio and visual guide to spot exactly which aisle your car is parked in without setting off. Sirens or looking like you are dealing with an emergency. Number 10. Remote engine preconditioning. Getting into a freezing car in the winter or a burning leather seat in the summer is miserable. Many drivers think they need an expensive smartphone subscription or an aftermarket remote start installed to warm up their car, but their factory key fob might already have it built in. Try this standard manufacturer sequence. Press the lock button twice and then immediately press and hold the remote start button, or hold the lock button on the third press for 3 full seconds. The parking lights will illuminate and the engine will turn on by itself, running for 10 to 15 minutes. The climate control system will automatically defrost your windshield, warm up your engine oil, and adjust the cabin temperature before you ever step foot out your front door. Modern cars are packed with clever hidden shortcuts that make driving so much easier once you know where to look. Drop a comment below and let us know which of these 10 tricks worked on your specific car model. If you want to learn more easy tricks that can save you a fortune at the mechanic, click the video on screen right now to see the most important secret dashboard resets every car owner must know. Thanks for watching and drive safe.